Hello all, let's create a magical cat. See, when I press space key, the cat changes its colors, and when I move my mouse pointer, it is getting stamped. It is creating a copy of it. So let's create this project. And when I click on S button, it stops everything. So if you want to create a project like this, we need to create a new file right here this way. Now you will get the sprite cat over here. So this we can take any other sprite using this, choose the sprite options. Right now let's use this cat as a sprite. Now if you want this cat to do something, you can use these coding blocks. These coding blocks are stored right here inside this palette. This is the motion palette, looks palette, sound. So you can take relevant command for your project from these palettes. Right now, I want this cat to move around with my mouse pointer. So what I can do, I can go for the motions over here, and let's take a command called go to here. So I'm using this go to, and let's change this to mouse pointer. So when I click on it, wherever my mouse pointer is, the mouse will or this cat will go to that position. But right now we need to put some event for this. For example, when I press something, then it should work on it. So for that, we can go to events. Now I'm using this event. When space key is pressed, I'm putting it right here. So when I press space key, then this cat or this sprite will move to the mouse wherever my mouse is in this way. See? So if I change the location of my mouse and press the key, then the sprite goes to that location. Now I want this action to be done many times forever, so I can go to controls and use this forever loop. So inside the forever loop, I want to use this go to mouse pointer. So when I press the space key, if I am moving my mouse pointer, the cat will go along with this. We can add one more command to it. Let's change the color of the cat or the sprite. So for that, we can use change color option from this palette. So I'm using this change color effect by 25. And then when I press space key, see, you can change the cat is color is getting changed in this way. So let's use one more command over here. I want to print the cat on the screen wherever it goes. And for that, we need to use stamp command. So it is right here in the pen. So if I use this command and put it right here. So when I press the space key now, and when I move my mouse pointer, your cat is getting printed all over the screen. So now the time comes, you need to stop it sometime or somewhere. Now to stop it, now I am going to use this button, stop button, but you can control your game or the event using control statements. So there are control statements over here. So I'm using this if option, if block right here. So if something is pressed, then it should stop. So I am going to use the sensing option because it will sense it. If this key is pressed, if the key S, I can select S key right here. And if S key on the keyboard is pressed, then it should stop everything. Now for that, I'm using again controls and using the stop all. So this is a simple script to turn your cat or the sprite into a magical character. So now when I press space key, see, so you can print it, but one more thing we need to add. So when we start the game, you should get a blank screen. So right now I'm stopping this using S key on my keyboard. And let me add, we need to clear this board. So to clear it, I'm using this erase all option. When the space key is pressed, erase everything and then start all other things. So now I'm going to press the space key and see, you can get the cat is printed everywhere, the magical character in this way. So it's very easy to design animations and programs in the Scratch using these coding blocks. So let's learn it. Thank you.